our 120 voltage one fan blower. First off, the overall dimensions. Overall length, we have 14 and 7/16. Height of 2.5 inches. Height with the circuit, we have 3.25 inches. Measurement for the cover holding the actual fan inside, we have at least 2 3/8. And the measurement for the actual fan blower, we have at least 11 3/8. Coming to your top, the sticker with your technical information and the pre-crimped cable with the connector. This will work with any of the refrigerators that we sell. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotusa.com, for more information. Thank you.